Mindfulness for beginners. What it is and how to start. Welcome back to Brain Food Channel. Today, we're exploring a topic that's becoming increasingly popular: mindfulness. If you've ever wondered what mindfulness is and how to start practicing it, you're in the right place. So let's get started. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is a mental practice that involves focusing on the present moment without judgment. It's about being fully aware of where you are and what you're doing, rather than getting overwhelmed by what's happening around you. It can help reduce stress, improve concentration, and enhance overall well-being. Mindfulness has roots in Buddhist meditation, but has been adapted into a secular practice in the West. It's used in various therapeutic approaches, like mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, and mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, MBCT. Now let's talk about how you can start practicing mindfulness. Here are 5 simple steps to get you going. Step 1. Find a quiet place. To begin, find a calm and quiet spot where you won't be disturbed. This can be a corner of your room, a park, or any place where you feel at ease. Step 2. Get comfortable. Sit in a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor or cross-legged on the cushion. The key is to maintain a posture that's relaxed yet alert. Step 3. Focus on your breathing. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils, the rise and fall of your chest, or the movement of your abdomen. Step 4. Notice your thoughts. As you focus on your breath, you'll find that your mind starts to wander. This is completely normal. When it happens, gently bring your attention back to your breath without judging yourself. Step 5. Practice regularly. Start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. Consistency is key, so try to make mindfulness a daily habit. Practicing mindfulness regularly can have a profound impact on your life. It can help reduce anxiety, improve focus, and enhance your overall sense of well-being. It's like giving your brain the food it needs to function at its best. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Brain Food Channel now, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Let us know in the comments if you've tried mindfulness and how it has helped you. See you next time.